Hi there, today I'm unboxing quite a cool bit of technology here. So it's actually by a company called ENER-J, and it's a product which is a batteryless wireless smart switch. So this is the actual product. It also comes with a receiver as well. So quite an exciting product in the fact that it doesn't require any sort of wiring or any sort of battery. Actually, it just works off kinetic energy. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. It's a very simple packaging here. Nothing more than just the label stuck over it. Let's open it up and have a look what you get. So first of all, the switch and some instructions. And then it looks like a 3M sticky pad to obviously stick this somewhere. So the advantages of having something like this is if you had a location where it's just a hassle to run wires, or you just didn't want to go through the hassle of obviously chiseling out the wire or putting trunking in, just wanted a neat way of doing things, you just get one of these devices. First time I've seen one of these, so it'd be quite useful for my own situation in my porch, where the light from my porch is in my hallway, but if I wanted to put another light within the porch, I'd have to either do the trunking or chisel into the wall to get it in. So I thought this would be quite a nice solution for that situation. So the product itself is quite a light product. Build quality seems quite nice, all plasticky around there. Let's hear the switching. It's quite cool. And that's it. I guess there's some brackets if you wanted to sort of clip it on, so it could clip on somewhere. But I think it's best just to use it with a sticky pad as they've given it. Okay, next let's look at the actual receiver you get. It's a similar sort of packaging. Very simple here, nothing amazing. Let's open it up. Okay, if I go like so, make it easier to open up. Okay, so the actual receiver, got some instructions, and we've got another sticky pad. Some wiring instructions on there. Okay, so inwards, live, neutral, and outwards, neutral, live. Should be straightforward. Let me have a quick flick through both the instruction sets, and then we'll have a go at installing this and see what it's like. Okay, so just to show what I have at the moment, so downstairs lights, upstairs lights, and porch lights, and there's the porch. You can just see it turning on. So you really want to just get rid of this switch and just have the switch in the porch without any extra work. Okay, just to show the existing lighting circuit we have, probably help other people trying to wire this in as well. So you've got your feed coming in here, and then your next feed going to your next lighting circuit. Then you've got your switch here and the actual connectors connecting this up in a junction box. So this being the receiver, the way I found the best way to connect this up, if I skip to the next slide, still the same, obviously your feed here, feed going to the next lighting circuit. What I've done here, the in part of the ENER-J receiver, I've connected the live and neutral directly onto these 2 points. So this is a permanent live and neutral connection, and the only thing that's needed to actually turn the light on is just a live feed here. So this is how you'd wire it onto a lighting circuit. So let's move on to showing it actually being done. Okay, so I'm on my landing area here, and you've already seen the wiring diagram. So here it is actually wired in now. So on the actual receiver, you've got the neutral and the live connections connected in here on the actual junction box, and then you've got a live cable on the output, and that's gone into your light side of things to actually assist in turning the light on. So I've tested this already, but what I've had to do is hold on to this button just here for about 3-4 seconds, and then next second it's paired it with the actual switch here straight away. So let me show the switch in action next. Okay, so on the landing area, the receiver's just here, my switch is there in my hand at the moment, and you can see the porch area just there in the background. So if I click the button, there you go, turns on. As it turns on, you see a red light come on indicating it would be on, and if I press that, turns off. Very straightforward to wire. If you're not sure, best to get an electrician in. The actual range of this switch is 30 meters indoor, and outdoor it's 160 meters. So quite useful, multi-purpose really, for different sort of, I guess, lighting solutions you want to have in your home or even outdoor. So there you go, pretty cool bit of tech here. Fact that this doesn't actually need a battery, works off kinetic energy, really impressed with that. Really innovative sort of thinking there. So there you go, thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.